Yo, what's good, boys? I wanted to make this video from the Kick Live going over exactly what type of IFVG reversal plays to skip out on. So if you guys aren't in the Kick Lives, link is in the description. Live every day at 9:30 a.m. Make sure you follow me. And the free Discord, we're about to hit 1K members also in there. I drop the notice for when I go live in there. We post all the trades in there, explain shit in there, have a strong community, so you guys join up on that. But yeah, let's just go ahead and get into setups why I avoided this setup today, and my overall opinions on today. I've been trading futures for over a year, been focusing on ICT, high volume IVG model. So in today's video, I'm just gonna explain what I seen and exactly what I was looking for. So today, coming into market open, we had a 825 pre-market slash London high. And then as you guys can see, the other liquidity we had to the upside was this new week opening gap Asia high sitting inside the new week opening gap down. Right now, currently, it's a Monday. We're just got the news between the USA, Israel, America, Iran war. So we gapped down. And yeah, today was a very, very strong volume day. As you guys can see, I was looking for shorts off of this high or off of the new week opening gap high, and I'm gonna go into what I seen. So basically, as you guys can see, we end up off open, pushing straight up, closing above that London high, and then we ended up getting this inverse here. And I'm gonna go over exactly why I didn't take this trade. So as you guys can see, normally this would look like a setup I would normally take. As you guys can see, it was also a 2-minute BPR. But the reason I'm fading a trade like this on this exact day, when you look at the structure of this overall trade, we had a 9:30 open, and within 5 minutes, we had already pushed up 276 points. Yeah, we did have a strong manipulation and strong inverse after sweeping out orders, but overall, I'm seeing trend. In a day like this, when there's a lot of news, when there's high uncertainties with the market, there's a lot of volume. Reversal sweeps and overall normal price action isn't going to react the same. So you have to take trend into account. So today, with the 276 point trend up 1%, basically right off of open, I'm going to kind of step away from trades like that and ISO them out. Not only that, guys, it's a one after the 1 minute inverse, as you guys can see, or the 2 minute as well, it would have been a 78 point stop loss. We can't risk that on prop firm accounts. As you guys know, we're looking for a 25 point stop loss, 1 minute BPR trade. If this was a 1 minute BPR trade up here and there was a gap, this would have been maybe a little bit better. Stops wouldn't have been as bad, like I said. But in this trade, the stops are way too much to risk on. And not only that, like I said, that trend, seeing this trend closing above London high, keep manipulating higher for another 6 minutes of price action, we're going to kind of avoid those setups, especially where we have new week opening gap sitting right here that hasn't been swept yet, which is more of an A+ level that we can be patient and wait for a sweep on. But yeah, this is basically what happened. That ended up getting stopped out. We didn't kind of sweep out the high. We chopped it around, swept it out, and didn't see any inverse or any setup get created on the low time frame. So this is just a take off the rest of the day. We're not going to force a trade. We're only looking for one specific model. There hasn't been a true A+ in about 2 weeks right now. Very, very hard price action. So kind of just stepping away, de-risking, waiting for my model to show, waiting for my model to present itself, and just believing in the system. But that's really it, boys. This is a trade to avoid, and yeah, just explaining this. Hope this made sense. Hope this helps any of you guys who maybe had some uncertainties with taking this trade. But yeah, that's it. I'm out of here, boys.